This is it. Today is the day where we are leaving Bourg Maurice under the rain to go to Italy. We have 200 kilometers to do with 4aLpes and about 35% tracks. The trick is during the afternoon one of the tracks is quite complicated, so if we are not there by 3 p.m. we cannot access it and we have to finish by the road. Fortunately for us, we are the first one to go. So we enjoyed a nice mountain view until Crazydivers, where a friend of us lives, so we just have a nice coffee before taking one of the highest pass of Europe, the Col de l'Iseran at 2,700 meters high. This was the first crash test for our car since it was high, with not a lot of oxygen in the air. We barely made it, but we were happy at the end. This is the very first track that we see. Unlike the 4aLpes trophy, this one really looks like a hiking track. But quite quickly we realized the car was starting to overheat, so we had to go very slowly, add some water bottle to the side so the airflow could help the cooling system a little bit.
Yes.
While doing that, we also crossed a lot of cars that were stopped on the side of the road because they were starting also to overheat. Not good for them, but at least it does feel better somehow.
C'est ça la route qu'on se prend. Et on va se retrouver à prendre celle-là. Comme oui.
What's up? How was your first day? Your first.
You can see me.
Hello.
Oh crap. I've been discovered.
You've been discovered. So we arrived in Italy. Today was not raining, but it was a lot of climbing, and our car is not the best for climbing. So we were very slow. I think we had an average of 20 kilometers an hour. No, that was not an average, that was a max. Going up and down, but we made it. And tonight we're gonna enjoy the calm and serenity of Euromark. Filming Nail had some friends arrived, so they completely forgot to close this vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated for the next episode. See you next time. Bye bye.